Hello, ako po si Chimal Gadawan, ang DTF operator ng RP Tugigaraw. And ito po ang DTF machine namin and smoke purifier na nagamit ng 6 na araw na may total of 21 meters. Printer head, cupping, head clean, nozzle check, punasan ng wiper, ang label ng ink system ay sakto lang. Waste tank na nalinis last Sunday. AVR. Ground wire. Palit po ang stocks ko ng DTF powder, unused ink, used ink, and additional unused ink po. Consumables for ink. Powder. White. Cyan. Black. Yellow, cyan. Maintenance checklist updated. Consumables output updated. Yun lamang po, thank you.